2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. We had the AC right here. It didn't matter what you did with this. Hot air would always blow out of the passenger side, cold air out of the driver's side. The actuator down underneath the driver's side was clicking. Took it apart. Right here, here's your actuator, 3 bolts, Torx bolts. What that does is spin this doohickey, and it fits into here. The back of it fits in up underneath of there, and then it spins this to turn the door. It was just clicking. That's because it was stripped out in here. I don't know if you could see it stripped out. So it was just clicking. So the actuator was good. This piece right here was stripped. I bet you it's a dealership, online, or a junkyard part. So where that goes, right up in here. See if I can get a good shot. Let me pull back a little. Get up in there. If you're a big guy, it'll be tough to reach. But that turns this door. Hot, cold, hot, cold. And that little spacer that spins the door goes up in there. See where the grease is? It's where it fits. And that grease on that little peg is where it slides in, and the actuator turns it. So the door itself is not jammed up. It's just stripped out on that little adapter, that spacer. So right now we are AC. Quick fix. Oh, it's cold out. Bam. You got heat. Bada boom. So I took this cover off right here. It's a protector for the hot heater core lines. There's only one Torx bit in it. Goes in down at the bottom. The rest just kind of snaps off. That gives you a lot more room. See that little peg fits into this groove, and this slides on the bigger peg, and then when that actuator turns it, moves the door. Now we go to the passenger side. It was stuck on heat. That side was stuck on AC. Both of these sides stripped out. You get a couple different actuators down in here. The one you're going to be looking for, if you're stuck on heat on this side, you take this little carpet off. Little Christmas tree peg holds it on. You're looking for, I've got this guy hanging right here. Goes to this gray plastic. And your door is, let's see if I can get a look right there. You can swivel that. That's the stripped out piece in between the actuator and the door lever. Right there. It's on cold, all the way in this position. Hot, you gotta go all the way this way. So to fix this, we need to find a replacement adapter. Whatever it's called, I'm not really sure. It swings the door open and closed, and it's just stripped out plastic in there. And that's the fix.